In this video, I'm going to share with you my exact strategy for making $3,700 in 5 days online. Hey there, my name is Mr. FOMO and today I'm going to show you how I made over $3,000 in just 5 days. This isn't some scam or get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real strategy that anyone can use to make money online. So if you're ready to learn how to create an online business that actually makes money, stick around because this video is for you. 1. Find a hot market. Any business needs customers to survive, and in order to find customers, you need to know who your target market is. A target market is a group of people that share similar characteristics, which makes them more likely to buy your product or service. There are many ways to identify a target market, but one of the most effective methods is to use demographic information. This includes factors such as age, gender, income, location, and education level. By understanding the demographics of your target market, you can more effectively reach them with your marketing efforts. Additionally, by keeping up with changing demographics, you can ensure that your target market remains relevant. For example, if you sell products that are popular with teenagers, but the teenage population starts to decline, you'll need to find a new target market. Fortunately, there are always new markets to be found, so don't be afraid to experiment until you find one that works for your business. 2. Research your competition. As any business owner knows, competition is essential to success. Not only does it keep you on your toes and help you to improve your own products and services, but it also provides valuable information about what customers are looking for. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to stay ahead of the competition. One way to do this is by research. By taking the time to learn about your competition, you can gain a better understanding of the market and find ways to differentiate your own business. Additionally, research can help you identify gaps in the market and opportunities for innovation. Ultimately, if you want to stay ahead of the competition, you need to make research a priority. Please feel free to subscribe and smash that like button if you liked the video so far. Also let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about it. 3. Create a product. There's no doubt that creating a product to make money online is a great way to earn an income. But what's the best way to go about it? There are a few things you need to keep in mind if you want to be successful. First, you need to create a product that people actually want to buy. It sounds obvious, but it's easy to get caught up in creating something you think is cool without stopping to think about whether or not anyone will actually want to buy it. Second, you need to make sure your product is priced correctly. If it's too expensive, people won't buy it. But if it's too cheap, they'll think it's not worth their time. Strike a balance, and you'll be more likely to make sales. Finally, you need to market your product effectively. Get the word out there about what you're selling, and make sure potential customers know where to find you. With a little effort, you can easily create a successful product and start making money online. 4. Set up your sales page. If you're selling products or services online, then you need to have a sales page. A sales page is a special type of web page that's designed to convince visitors to buy what you're selling. It's important to create a convincing and compelling sales page, because this is what will determine whether or not people actually follow through with a purchase. There are a few key elements that every effective sales page must have. First and foremost, it needs to have a strong headline that accurately reflects the content of the page. The headline should be attention-grabbing and make it clear what the visitor can expect to find on the page. Next, the sales page should have a powerful call to action, CTA, that encourages the visitor to take action. The CTA should be specific and clearly state what the visitor needs to do in order to make a purchase. Finally, the sales page should include testimonials from satisfied customers. These testimonials serve as social proof and help to build trust with potential buyers. If you want to create an effective sales page, then make sure to include all of these key elements. With a strong headline, persuasive CTA, and positive customer testimonials, you'll be well on your way to making more sales and growing your business. 5. Drive traffic to your page. Nowadays, it's not enough to just have a website. You need to make sure that people are actually visiting it. After all, what's the point of having an online presence if nobody knows it exists? Driving traffic to your website is essential if you want to build a successful online business. And one of the best ways to do this is through YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is a powerful platform with a vast audience. And what's more, it's free to use. You can create videos about anything related to your business, from product demonstrations to behind-the-scenes footage. Plus, by adding links to your website in your video descriptions, you can direct viewers to your site where they can learn more about what you have to offer. So if you're not using YouTube as part of your online marketing strategy, you're missing out on a big opportunity. 6. Convert that traffic into buyers. Many businesses struggle to convert traffic into buyers. They may have a lot of views, but not many customers. There are a few key things you can do to change this. First, make sure your content is high quality and targeted to your audience. You want to give them information that they're interested in, not just a sales pitch. Second, use calls to action throughout your videos. Tell viewers what you want them to do next, whether it's visiting your website or subscribing to your channel. Finally, follow up with viewers after they watch your videos. Send them an email or reach out on social media to thank them for watching and invite them to take the next step. By following these simple tips, you can start converting your traffic into buyers. 7. Rinse and repeat. These days, it seems like everyone is looking for a way to make some extra money. Whether it's picking up a few shifts at a local restaurant or selling handmade crafts online, there are endless opportunities for those with a little entrepreneurship spirit. However, for those who want to make a significant amount of money in a short period of time, there is only one surefire way to do it: rinse and repeat. That's right, by finding a method that works and repeating it over and over again, you can quickly amass a large sum of money. Of course, this isn't easy. It takes dedication and hard work to find a method that is both profitable and scalable. But for those who are willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be immense. So if you're looking to make some serious money, don't be afraid to rinse and repeat. If you want to make money online, there are a few steps you need to take. First, find a hot market with potential customers who are already spending money. Then, research your competition to see what they're offering and how you can improve upon it. Next, create your product and set up a sales page. Once that's done, start driving traffic to your page through various marketing channels. Finally, convert that traffic into buyers by providing them with an offer they can't refuse. And then rinse and repeat. If you found this helpful and want more tips on making money online, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.